Go visit Cocoa Empire. You won't regret it.
Hey JT family, welcome back to the channel, Just Terry B and me. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And please remember to push that bell notification button to all so you can get all my future videos. Today, we are having a lamb burger, some fries, and for dessert, some churros. Love those churros. And to drink, I'm just going to do some water. Lemon flavored water. Ooh, look at that. On it we have some feta cheese, tzatziki sauce, pickles, tomatoes, lamb meat, lettuce, and a toasted sesame seed bun. Some ketchup on it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That looks delicious. Wanna bite, 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 bite? That's good. That's actually delicious. And French fry. I love French fries. I've been doing food trucks lately. And again, this is a McDonald's grill food truck. It's really good. Did I give you some fries? Take a bite of my fry. It's hot today. I'm hot. I'm gonna have to turn on my air conditioner. Want some churros? Churros. This is like it's gonna be messy because of all the sugar. Want to buy my churros? That's good. How's your day been going? Mine has been going really slow, but I'll get through it. These are good. Nice and fluffy on the inside. I'd like to thank you all for watching my videos. Remember, it's hot, y'all. Always remember to live life each day. Let's do it while you last. Bye. Peace.